Having trouble seeing your AirPods Pro 3 case battery percentage on your iPhone or Android device? This is often due to a glitch in the Bluetooth connection or software. First, try the simplest solution. Place your AirPods in the case, close it, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often triggers a battery check. If that doesn't work, ensure your AirPods Pro firmware and your phone's operating system are up to date. Outdated software is a common cause. For iPhones, go to Settings, General, Software Update. For Android, check your system updates in Settings, About Phone. A quick restart of your iPhone or Android can also resolve temporary cache issues. If problems persist, move on to advanced troubleshooting. If the quick fixes didn't work, unpair your AirPods Pro from your device and then repair them. On iOS, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the eye next to your AirPods, and choose Forget this device. On Android, go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the gear icon next to your AirPods, and select Unpair. After repairing, check the battery widget again. If using an Android device and still facing issues, download Air Battery from the Play Store. This app can force refresh the battery status. To prevent this in the future, avoid Bluetooth congestion by minimizing simultaneous connections and ensure your AirPods charging contacts are clean. A defective case, while less common, might also be the cause and would require either contacting Apple support or claiming a warranty.